good, ma'am. How are you?
Very, very good after knowing
Yeah,
about
good.
your result.
Yeah, good. Thanks, ma'am. Yeah, it's really your guidance and your lectures helped me a lot because I just gone through your lectures and the revision classes and attended the exam. Even I didn't give full practice tests and all, but like your revision lectures and some of your past paper solving, like I have only gone through few of the sessions. That itself has provided lot of info on the I mean lot of details, and it helped me to attempt the exam. Even what are the concepts you explained during the live classes and even the recorded lectures, those were really insightful. So that itself was helpful in the exam. Apart from that, all 24/7 you were live solving classes and all, and then even post exam as well, your guidance, support and all. These are very helpful, and really I'm very much grateful and gratitude for your support throughout the course time.
So happy to hear this. You have cleared it in first attempt, correct?
Yeah, yeah,
You have learned IFRS for the first time.
yeah. First time.
First time, okay.
Yeah.
And if I talk about the exam level, like was it difficult or like medium level? Did you find like what was the level of exam as per your experience?
So, level of sorry. Yeah. So from my understanding, what I felt is this: the consolidation question is kind of a little difficult because I didn't do much of an practice. I mean, didn't try much of the consolidation problems. Only thing is that balance sheet didn't tally. So I spent more time on that. But apart from that, exam level for other concepts were straightforward. Like when they were testing it for either new IFRS standards or the principles, and then some of the conceptual frameworks, and also those were straightforward. Even the other questions were very much clear and almost in line with whatever it was explained by you in the lectures itself. Just the consolidation itself is like it has all subsidiaries and then associate and then the investment in equity, and also that because somewhere I missed it and the balance sheet didn't tally, assets and liabilities didn't match. So but remaining and all were almost like in the syllabus which it was taught in your decks and everything.
Okay, so happy to hear this.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Any
yeah.
any tip that you would love to give to the students who are like planning to learn IFRS and maybe attempt in the next upcoming exam?
Sure. So my tip always is on sure shot for this consolidation question. What I can suggest is that while you are attempting it for the first time, or whenever you are attempting that, don't waste much more of the time. Just split proportionally. The 50 minutes you need to split, and because it's not tallying, or you are working on some step procedures and then doing and all. So if it's taking some time, you can keep it aside, attempt the remaining questions and come back it, because it's just 25% of the weightage. Spending more time would may lose the marks in other questions. Other questions might be some of the other two questions might be straightforward. So just that the time management in the exam would be helpful, and then all other topics will be all in the syllabus and mostly from the PPTs which you shared. So that's the one which I want to suggest. Yeah, that's all.
Good thing, good thing. I've talked to other people also, and they were
Yeah,
also saying that they were stuck with consolidation and they spent a lot of time on consolidation. All right.
yeah,
So whenever,
yeah.
like every time there are four questions, three of the
Mm,
questions are very simple. There will be one or two tricks in at least one question.
correct,
Okay. So whenever
correct.
I've suggested them also that
Mm,
out of those four questions, whichever question you find little more tricky, don't spend too
mm,
much of time, because even if you answer it correctly, then also your maximum score will be 25. What about remaining
correct, correct,
75? Correct. So
correct,
I'm
correct.
really happy that you followed this, and I'm really glad
Mm,
that the questions were there from the deck, from the classes itself, and you
yes,
cleared it
correct.
in the first attempt. I'm so proud of
Yeah,
you. Very good, very
yeah.
good. Really happy.
Also, yeah. Also, like you also taught us some of the IFRS standards which are not in the syllabus. That's are also very helpful. Say like IFRS 18, or say this insurance contracts, and also that is also like really knowledgeable and valuable to me. Yeah.
Nice, right? Because see, when you're going in the real world, then
Yeah,
example doctor cannot say I don't know about liver, I know
correct,
only about lungs. Example, he has to know
correct,
all
correct,
whole
correct,
soul. Correct. Similarly, as an
correct.
accountant also, we cannot say that
Yeah,
okay, this one thing I skipped. Correct,
yeah, yeah, got it.
because we are treated as an expert. We are deemed as an expert.
Yeah, got it, got it. So yeah, those are very valuable ones. Yeah,
Nice. Okay, I'm so happy to, I would say, hear from you. Congratulations. I'm so
thank
happy
you.
to connect with you.